get the net? Whoa.
You recording?
Yeah.
Alright, just caught our first fish today. Somehow bent my hook. This guy right here. It's on a matrix shed. And using a tiger bait on a 1/8 ounce. Getting it done. Tiger bait did it again. Alright guys, I want to show you how I use matrix shad. Using a 1/8 ounce jig head. It's really light. Fishing it in about 5 to almost 10 feet of water. So it's got a really slow sink. And that's pretty crucial because 9 out of 10 times they're going to hit it on the fall. I want something that's going to fall really natural. And you know, I'm just giving it a couple of pops, pop that jig up a couple of times and let it fall back down. Pop it a couple more times, let it fall back down. That's got to hit it. Another clone beast from the matrix shed. A whole lot of popping and jerking going around. Bam, tiger bait. See if we can get one on camera real quick. Tiger bait roll. Beauty. Alright, here goes another one. Right along that same bomber jerkbait that I always like to throw. A little 1-toother. Having a pretty good time. Alright guys, just caught a little rat red. No, it's nothing to brag about, but you know, I caught it on the Merodine. Just wanted to show his beauty. I don't know if you can really see it, but he's got an awesome turquoise tail right there at the bottom. Little rat red on the Merodine. Found a nice chunk, folks. That trout on the matrix shad. Now we got windier conditions than was to be expected. And if you follow my reports, I like fishing wind and current. You know, a lot of people like to hide from it and get out of it, but the fish are there. Let's take a quick measurement on this guy. Again, I'm throwing a 1/8 ounce tiger bait. This guy's almost, well, he's 16 3/4. There you go, it's a beauty right there. Stay tuned. Got another fatty. Look down there. Choked on that matrix shad. Beautiful fish. A quick measurement of this guy. Another 16.5. Not bad.
I just lost a huge one, by the way. It went underneath the motor and popped off. I'm so mad. Okay.
Another one there. As you can see, I switched to zero gain. All that wind stopped, and now we just got a little light breeze. And I tell you what, man, as soon as that wind stopped gusting, from that 15 miles an hour to that 5 mile per hour, just really slowed down the bite. The fish kind of pulled off the bank a little bit, and now they're starting to move out and spread out, and they're even getting a little bit shorter, but still very beautiful, awesome looking fish. Fun, man. Another 1-toother. Stay tuned. Just got another fat speck, people, on the tiger bait. Fishing this channel right here to the Escambia River, and take a quick measurement of this guy. About 16 1/4. Fat fish. Cool. Alright. Y'all been seeing me catch trout all morning. Here goes a redfish. He just completely choked on the matrix shad. Get that out of there. There it is. Alright. He measures at 17 3/4. There it is. Redfish on the matrix shad, y'all. Alright guys, it is now 3:40, almost at the top of the tide, and caught another trout here. I think I might have to keep this guy. I mean, you look inside that mouth, totally just swallowed the matrix shad tiger bait on a 1/4 ounce jig head. It's been killer for me today. I've been throwing that a lot. It's been very productive. Let's see if he's even a keeper. Yeah, I mean, he's short, swallowed my bait. I mean, he's just about dead. Unfortunate. I'm just gonna let him go with the jerk bait. Hopefully he can swim off. Alright guys, let's do a recap of the 14th March. I want to give you guys some of the key pointers that made today successful, and how I went about adapting to what was a windy day today. And it wasn't supposed to be windy. I mean, we had whitecaps in the Escambia Bay. It got pretty rough out there in the morning and late afternoon. In the middle of the afternoon, it actually kind of died down a little bit, which was nice. But anyhow, early in the morning, right away I noticed that we had a lot of wind, and I launched out of Archie Glover, and I was fishing inside that bayou to realize that there wasn't too much action going on. So I went and checked the outside of the Escambia Bay, check out some of the sidelines, see what's going on the shoreline. And immediately, you hit the wind, bam, the wind gets you. So what I did was I went towards the wind-blown banks. The wind-blown banks seem to hold a lot of fish today. And you're not going to be catching those small schooling trout. Our average fish today was roughly about 16 inches. Anywhere between 16 and 17 inches. And how we went about doing it was, for the most part, we were throwing these matrix shads. It's got a chartreuse bottom and a purple top with some purple glitter. It's called a tiger bait. I highly recommend it. They really love it. They're in stained, the fish are all in stained water. I mean, the Scambia is pretty much stained water. You know, we're not dealing with clear conditions quite yet. But I was using an 1/8 ounce, a 1/4 ounce, and a 5/16. Okay, depending on your water depth, you want your bait to fall as slowly as possible. So using the right size jig head is definitely key. Back to the wind-blown banks, you know, on a windy day, I think it's crucial to actually fish those wind-blown banks, because the bait is going to get pushed up against those areas, and the fish are going to be right there following the bait. Okay, don't go try to hide from the wind. Let the wind be your friend, as they say. Now, as the sun started to come up to that top of the hour clock, you know, that 12 o'clock position, the wind died down with it, and so now you got hardly any wind and heat. And what I like to do at that point is find current, you know, find moving water and deeper water. So what I did was I headed over to the Escambia River, the actual channel of it that meets the bay, and I was fishing the wind-blown bank. And I was throwing a 5/16 there. It's a little bit deeper, but yet I still don't want my bait to fall that fast. For instance, using a 3/8 or a 1/2 ounce or anything bigger, you know. So there, you know, we found a couple of redfish. I think we caught 3 redfish all day today. No big ones. And we also picked up another nice speckled trout, about 16 inches. So take it from me, on a windy day, fish wind-blown banks, and when in doubt, throw a matrix shad, because that caught 90% of our fish today. And you can find them at Avalon Bait and Tackle. You can get them on matrixshad.com, and check out docksideLA.com as well to see how to use the matrix shad. Those videos taught me a lot, and I'm sure they can teach you a lot. On a side note, Selena actually lost a gator trout today at the boat. I'm sorry to say, but yes, once again, we lost the big fish at the boat. I think they're just afraid of the camera. But tomorrow we're going to be hitting the water, and hopefully we can give you guys another great report. And until then, as usual, good fishing.